If you're like me, you've probably called these weird pumpkins for most of your life. But I'm here today to tell you that these are actually called squash. You've probably heard someone call these gourds. The difference between a squash and a gourd just depends on whether you plan to eat it or not. It either tastes good or tastes gourd. Each of them have their own cute little names, and they all have a different texture and taste. Let's cut some open. Squash are great for getting fiber, vitamins, omega-3, and other nutrients, without a whole lot of calories or fats. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. That's pretty awesome. When choosing a squash at the store, make sure to avoid soft spots. We want to find one that's heavy and has a firm, dry stem. So how do you cook this stuff? Here are some good ideas.
Delicious.
As always, don't forget to wash your squash before you cook it. It's gonna be good.